Hi, this is Chanakya Joshi. The agenda of this call is to help you understand the dashboards when you get logged in and when you have now created your company profile. So when you're logged in, you'll see a screen like this. This dashboard in purple is your creator dashboard, and the dashboard on the extreme left is the dashboard managing your account as well as your team in case you have one. So let's understand what is this creator dashboard before we go to the extreme left where you can manage your account. So in the creator dashboard, here is the overview about whatever content or whatever playbooks that you create. We'll look at this later, but I want you to look at AI Advisor, where if you click on AI Advisor, this is our content funnels advisor created with AI, where you can get content marketing strategies, ideas, and playbooks required specifically for your business. What you have to do is to simply enter your website link here, and our AI will automatically give you what kind of content your business should create in the C-Note fashion. What kind of content you should create for capturing your stakeholders, for nurturing your stakeholders, for onboarding them, and for training them. All the top level roadmap will be given to you using this AI. There is a separate video about this. I think you can check that to understand it better. Let's move to the next tab. This is my playbooks. When you click on my playbooks, whatever playbooks you have created will be seen to you. In case you have not created anything, you can click on new playbook or create a new content funnel tabs. Let's create a new playbook. Creating playbook at GetAConnect is very simple. It's a very simple interface where you can enter your title, upload your featured image here, and add the content whatever you want. Most of the times content is normally ready with you. You can copy paste your content in this fashion. Builder is where you're actually creating the main content. In terms of uh, our context, we are calling it as lessons. So one playbook can have multiple lessons. You can add a new lesson here. Again, the same thing is there: lesson title, add a featured image, and the content. These are the different materials and different settings related to you, specifically to your lesson. We'll get into these details later, but more very briefly, it all covers what kind of features you want in your playbook. Once you add a lesson inside your playbook, it will be displayed here. If you add 5 lessons, it will get it will be 5 lessons there. If you have already created lessons, you can simply click here, and you want those to be added in this playbook, you can simply click on whatever lessons you want. Let me add lesson 1, 2, 3. I will click on lesson and add it here. So in this fashion, you will see your lessons directly added, so you don't have to create the same content again. You can just drag and drop. Similarly, if you want to add a quiz, you can click here, go to, in case you already have created a quiz, you can simply drag and drop your quiz here, and that quiz will be added. These are the settings related to your playbook, where you want it open, you want to sell it, whether you want it to be closed. All those features are here. The navigations, whether you want it to be a linear or free form, we will get into this details a bit later. Today's agenda, let's keep it very crisp and clear, is to understand how it is easy to create a playbook on our platform. You can also have access, expiration date, and all other features and all related things. Here you can view your playbook as if you are in the draft mode. You can see that it will look like this. As of now, nothing is there, so whenever you add something, your index will be seen here, and so on. So I think that's how you create a playbook. Now let's go back to our creator dashboard. Similarly, you can also create quizzes by clicking here. Quizzes can also be created within playbook. They can also be created separately. The fundamentals are same. There is nothing much you have to learn when you're creating content on GetAConnect. And there are different reporting dashboards where you will understand the content, how it is consumed by your audience, what is it that you are, how it is performing, are there anything pending, is there some assignments that you have to approve, and so on. There are so many things. I think let's not get bogged down into those at this point of time. So in a nutshell, when you log in, you can create your company profile. You will get access to this creator dashboard. Once you get access to creator dashboard, we request you to use our AI advisor, enter your website link, understand what kind of content you should create. Our AI will guide you on that, and then go to my playbooks and create your playbooks, embed quizzes if required. If you want separate quizzes to be created, click on my quizzes and create new quizzes. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.